What is the difference between solar energy and wind energy? Welcome to this presentation on the difference between solar energy and wind energy. Both are renewable sources of power, but they operate in very different ways. Let's explore how they work, their advantages, and their key differences. Solar energy. Solar energy comes directly from sunlight. Photovoltaic panels, or PV panels, convert solar radiation into electricity. However, solar power can only be generated during daylight hours, and its efficiency depends on weather conditions. Solar panels can be installed on rooftops for homes and businesses, or scaled up into large solar farms. One of the major benefits is that they operate silently and require minimal maintenance compared to the renewable systems. Wind energy. Wind energy is generated by harnessing the kinetic energy of moving air. Large wind turbines convert this energy into electricity. Unlike solar power, wind turbines can operate both day and night as long as there is sufficient wind, although the availability of wind is often less predictable. Wind farms typically require open land or coastal areas with strong, steady winds. A drawback is that turbines generate noise, which can be disruptive in nearby residential areas. Still, they are generally more efficient in converting natural energy into power. Key differences. To summarize, solar energy relies on sunlight, while wind energy depends on moving air. Solar panels generate electricity only during the day, but wind turbines can work around the clock. Solar energy systems are quite flexible and suitable for rooftops or smaller spaces. In contrast, wind turbines need large open areas, produce noise, but can sometimes achieve higher efficiency. Finally, solar output is more predictable in sunny conditions, while wind energy can vary greatly depending on local weather and wind patterns.